Introducing COTA's ticket vending machine, located outside Pass Sales at 33 North High Street in downtown Columbus. Purchasing passes is quick and easy. First, following the directions on the screen, select the type and quantity of passes you would like. Next, pay for the passes by inserting cash or using your Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or American Express credit card. And finally, make sure you take your passes and purchase receipts. Questions or comments? Please call 614-228-1776 or visit COTA.com.